Okay, this project progress report was mainly creating the initial project and putting data in the database. As you can see here, we have our initial project where we all had to create a virtual environment so that we can run the correct dependencies for our project. And then we separated it into the back end and the front end, which is down here. In the back end, we have our assets, we have our styles.css file, and then our main.js file. And then we mainly created our application here, which includes the models, where this is where all of the code and logic for the database goes. And so we made all of our tables with a few example tables here, but the other 9 are tables for our application, where we include all the fields, such as foreign key fields, Boolean field, character field. And then we also have our URLs, where we have to link these up to the main project URLs over here, so that our application can actually have different web pages and different URLs can go to the correct logic. And then we have our views, which is also part of that. We have a few test views here. This one is used to run our script for our sample data to input that into the database. And then it just goes to main and then the index.html pages we have in our templates here. Now, we will be using React for our front end, so we actually won't be using the Django templates, and instead we'll be using React stuff, of course. And so we just have our sample, I can't move that, our sample app.jsx here, where we have used this URL to go to a certain page. And we do have that in our URLs here, though, with API example, the React JS can use effect to fetch that web page. And that's about it for the code. This is our database. As you can see here, all of our tables are here. We can go to all of them, and they have sample data that we've put into it. And then we finally also made our GitHub repository. And so this is our GitHub repository. We have to change the name still, because we initially wanted it to be called What's Up Neighbor, but we changed it to Ray. And we have been adding some things to that too. And that is it. Thank you so much.